Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Kanji radicals. If you are interested to learn more about the Kanji radicals, then please go and check my previous videos related to the Kanji radicals. Today we will learn these 5 important radicals. Let's get started. Our first radical is Dai or OO, which means big. Imagine a person stretching their arms wide to show something large. This radical often appears in a word related to the size, greatness, or importance. For example, Daigaku. It means university. Meaning of this radical is small. It looks like a picture of three tiny dots like grains of rice. This radical is used to express smallness, youth, and minuteness. For example, show means small, and shogaku it means elementary school. This radical looks like two swinging doors forming a gate. It represents gate, entrance, or the concept of inside and outside. Example include mon, it means gate or door. Next is senmon, it means specialty. Here is a co-radical. This is for child. Imagine a child with the arm raised in excitement. This radical is associated with children, offspring, or small beings. For example, ko for child, and Joshi, it's for girl. Finally, this radical symbolizes to follow or step. Think of small footsteps moving forward. This radical appears in the words about movement or following, like iku or ko, it means to go, and atto and go, it means after or behind. Practice writing each radical 5 times and try to spot them in a word you already know. Keep practicing and you will improve quickly. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.